Hi, my name is Monique van Steen. I'm a painter and I recently bought the Nissan NV200 and I need more space. It's a 7-seater, so I need to take out these two, the third row of the Nissan, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So yeah, first up you will see here you've got these plastics. It's very easy. You just grab them and click them upwards. They come off. They just have little clicks here. They're not really tight, so it's perfect. The next one, you see, it's here next to the hinge. You just put your fingers in here and pull it upwards. It comes off smoothly. What you need next is a big tool. It's number 14. And the first one you'll be able to do with another tool, but the second one you need all the space you can get. So it's just a question of open it, and even I can do it, so you can do it too. And just turn. And here you have it. Save it really well. You're gonna need it if you want to put the seats back. And then the next one, same story. Oh. Ah, yes, there it is. And the second one. So now we need to make sure that we unbolt this one. You got this lever here, it's very easy. I'm not pulling this one down because I bought this one with a broken handle. So it's going to stay like that when I take it off. This is way more practical. It's way more easy to store. So what I do now is I pull this lever, the one that you know from like pulling it up, that it comes off. And now carefully not to... this is heavy. Not to make scratches anywhere. Yay! It's out! So I got my chair out, and now instead of saving these bolts with it, I just leave them here so that I won't lose them. It's just a simple trick. It's not the most beautiful way of storing them, but you won't lose them, and that's the most important thing. So next up is this row. Well, first we pull these down. So for this one I don't have the long piece because I don't have space here. So I just do it without, and there we go. I'm actually surprised how easy this goes. Can I do it by hand? Yeah. There it is. And then the next one. There we go. Up. So we take this one out, and now let's see where this baby is going to go. It's actually very, very easy. So yeah, here it's just the same old what we did before. And I just wanted to tell you, you can do this. It's super easy, and I want to give a big thank you to the design people who actually made these NV200s, because it's so easy transformable. Wow, it even fits like this. This van is amazing. Look at that.